push. It's easy. Hi, if you have finally reached this video after an hour of painful search, you might have a problem in your 3 or 4-year-old SmartClean machine. You purchased this SmartClean machine that comes with your new Philishave 3 or 4 years ago and have used this machine every morning like me. We didn't do anything wrong. We didn't drop it on the bathroom floor. We didn't throw it to the wall after drinking. We have just used it after we placed the machine in the bathroom. Then one busy morning, we found that this machine just stopped working. More specifically, the cleaning fluid stays in the cartridge and cannot move toward the shaver. So I'll tell you what, here's one surprising news for us, Philips customers. Almost all SmartClean users experience the same problem 3 or 4 years after the purchase of their SmartClean machine with their Philishavers. What do you think they will do when they experience this problem? Well, many people just order a new machine to replace the old one. And this is what the Philips company wants us to do. It'll cost us about $60 to $80 depending on where you order it. Of course, we want to fix it if we can before spending $60 to $80 on a new machine. Now I'll show you the magic. It'll take just 30 seconds to fix this problem. This is the Philips SmartClean Cleaning Station, and this is where the cleaning fluid cartridge sits in. Now to fix your SmartClean machine, you first have to remove this bottom cover. But if you do not know how to remove it, it'll take you an additional hour to figure it out. But today I'll show you how to remove it in 2 seconds. Okay, first close the bottom cover. Now while you hold the machine in your left hand, you should give sufficient room between the machine and your right hand. And then you just push this button, the button you press when you change the cleaning cartridge. And be careful because the cover will pop out like a rocket. Now push. It's easy. Once you remove the bottom, look at the small white plastic fan inside. This part of the machine carries the cleaning fluid from the cartridge to the ceiling. It seems that when you use the machine 3 or 4 years, somehow this white plastic fan gets stuck all at once, so you have to rescue this part from the trouble. Now you need a small screwdriver. Using the screwdriver, turn this white plastic fan 10 times clockwise and then 10 times counterclockwise. In fact, the turning direction or how many times you turn it does not matter. So if you want 7 times clockwise and 5 times counterclockwise, just do it. That'll do the same job. Finally, reassembling the unit is a piece of cake. Okay, that's it. Just follow the step and you will fix your machine in 30 seconds. And you will also save your money to order a new machine, and your SmartClean will continue to be smart for another 3 to 4 years. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please click on like and leave comments. See you next time.